Did you know Germany once helped create their own worst enemy? In April 1917, Germany was losing World War I and desperately needed Russia out of the fight. So they made a deal with the devil. Vladimir Lenin, a dangerous revolutionary, was stuck in exile in Switzerland. German officials had a brilliant idea. They would secretly transport Lenin back to Russia in a sealed train car, hoping his radical ideas would tear apart the Russian government from the inside. The plan seemed foolproof. Lenin would cause chaos, Russia would collapse, and Germany would win the war. But the moment Lenin stepped off that train in Petrograd, everything went wrong. Within months, he had seized complete power and created the Soviet Union. Yes, Lenin did sign a peace treaty with Germany. But the communist monster Germany had unleashed would eventually crush Nazi Germany in World War II and dominate half of Europe for 70 years. The moment Germany sealed their own fate was Lenin's train ride home.